Let's start out our video today by bringing up the Google Translate app or visiting the Google Translate website. Now here we are on the Google Translate website, and I want to practice pronunciation of the sentence you see in the box. If I want to, I can click the speaker button to hear a computer pronunciation of the sentence. The intonation seemed to be okay, but the voice is kind of annoying.
La gente normalmente subestima el valor de las listas de tareas pendientes y no les dedican mucho tiempo.
Okay, so that's not so great. Let's give a listen as to how a natural Spanish speaker would say the above sentence.
La gente normalmente subestima el valor de las listas de tareas pendientes y no les dedican mucho tiempo.
I like to illustrate how Google Translate works understanding a native speaker to show that basically, if Google Translate understands you, other people will too. Now here I go with several sentences. Don't laugh at my efforts, please. La gente normalmente subestima el valor de las listas de tareas pendientes y no les dedican mucho tiempo. As I said, if Google Translate understands you, other people will too. In this particular sentence, I've highlighted the areas where I need to improve. Now let's take a look at a few more examples, and I'll highlight in yellow areas where I need improvement. Los emprendedores y profesionales modernos suelen tener dificultades con esto. Okay, that wasn't bad, but I still missed one word. Let's have a go at another. Muchas personas cometen el error de asumir que hacer muchas cosas a la vez les ayuda a ahorrar tiempo y hacer las cosas más rápidamente. Okay, not bad, but I still got one word wrong. Let's go for another. Perfeccionismo es quizás el mejor obstáculo para la productividad y puede causar mucho estrés. In this sentence, I found another word that I need to practice. Now let's take a look at a native Spanish speaker practicing their English.
Wake up an hour earlier. Do the hardest tasks first. Clear off your decks. Clear
Stop. Stop.
Clear off your decks.
Okay. Listen to me. Clear off your desk.
Clear off your decks.
Otra vez, ¿listo? Clear off your desk.
Clear off your decks.
Try it again, ¿listo? Clear off your desk. También desk. Desk.
Decks.
Desk.
Decks.
Desk.
Desk.
Oh, that was the best.
Clear off your decks. Clear. Clear. ¿Cómo se pronuncia?
Exercise in the morning.
Exercise in the morning.
Muy bien, baby, muy bien. Focus on one thing at a time.
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 Muy bien, baby, muy bien.
Clear off your decks. Clear off your decks.
I guess we'll master clear off your desk on the next go round. But as you can see, Google Translate can really help with your pronunciation, pointing out the areas that you're doing well and the areas that you need improvement. So I hope this video has helped you understand how Google Translate can help you with this pronunciation. That's it for now. Have a great day.